Someone turn off that damn TV. My task force is out of the country. I'm commandeering your unit, Sergeant Foley.
Yes, sir. All yours, sir.
I've requisitioned a striker from the 8th Armored.
Honey Badger's a mean bitch, sir.
She'll walk you in. The Russians are burning through our defenses and our intel. Can't let them take this corner.
Just point it out on the map, sir. They won't take it.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Our evac choppers are taking heavy losses from ground fire. We gotta destroy those AAA positions so they can get the rest of the civvies out of here. Let's go! Squad, protect the striker. Watch for foot mobiles with RPGs. Get off the streets! We got hostiles in the yellow house. Squad, put suppressing fire on that house. Get off the streets! Use the houses for cover. Squad, put suppressing fire on that house. Squad! They're targeting the striker! Watch for RPGs! Get out of the street!
All Hunter teams, this is Badger 1. Paint the target, over.
Flank them through the houses! Go! Go! Go!
Solid copy. Engaging infantry.
Squad, move up through these houses! Let's go! Let's
Badger
go!
1, engaging yellow house.
Enemies in the gray house! Squad, we got hostiles in that gray house! Take them out!
Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed.
Get out of their way!
Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed.
Foot mobiles by the apartments! Enemy foot mobiles by the apartments! Take them out!
Thanks for the assist, Hunter 2-1.
Take out the sentry gun!
Hunter 2-1 actual. This is Badger 1. Our anti-missile system cannot handle the volume of RPG fire. We need your team to thin them out. How copy? Over.
Solid copy, Badger 1. We're on it out. Use your designator. Lays targets for the striker. Take out that sentry gun!
Negative. That target's out of range. infantry at checkpoint. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed.
Hunter 2-1 actual. Overlord, give me a sit rep, over. Roger that. I have new orders for you. This comes down from the top, over.
Solid copy, Overlord. Send it.
Your team is to divert to 4677 Brookmere Road after you have eliminated the AAA.
Solid copy, Overlord. Divert to 4677 Brookmere Road once the guns are destroyed. Got it.
Check back with me when you've completed your main objective. Overlord out.
Nice work, Hunter 2-1. Thanks for the assist. Confirmed. Suppressing targets near the police car. Solid copy. Engaging target. Solid copy. Engaging target. Roger. We have a line. Engaging house. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed. Roger, attacking your target. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target destroyed.
Cover me! I'm on it! I got eyes on! У нас убитые! Hostile, next to the police car! У них нательная броня.
All Hunter teams, this is Badger 1. Paint the target, over.
Target upstairs!
Yeah, I see him. Ramirez, Tango on the inside balcony.
Вижу противника на 2 часа!
Cover me. Grenade, move!
Сидите опасно! Ходят стрелы!
Ramirez, use your laser designator to call in artillery on those vehicles.
Fire mission received. Artillery inbound. confirmed. Firing.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1 actual. AAA has been neutralized. We're heading to 4677 Brookmere Road. Interrogative. What exactly are we looking for? Over.
Sergeant Foley, this is General Shepard. Your objective is to extract a high-value individual from a panic room on the second floor of that house.
Yes, sir.
He'll be expecting you. Challenge is Ice Pick. Counterside is Phoenix. Get him out of there and report back to Overlord. Shepard out.
All right. You heard the man. 4677 Brookmere Road. Move! Hey, Ice Pick. Ice Pick.
Something's not right here. Check the panic room. Move. Huh. No sign of forced entry.
Ramirez, get that briefcase.
What's left of it?
Sarge, check out these tats. Not your average trooper, huh?
Huh. Get a couple of photos for G2, and check the bodies for intel.
Who?
Shepard's not gonna like this.
Overlord, the HVI is dead.